Ready? Okay. How much is the percentage allotted for GAD budget of the agency, and where can it be charged from the agency budget?
At least 5% po from GAA po. Nauna po kaming tumaas.
Kulang pa po, ma'am.
Ako po talaga, at least 5% po ng binababang budget from GAA.
Correct po, ma'am. Meron po, second question, ma'am, saan galing?
From GAA po.
Saan kinukuha from GAA, ma'am?
From the total budget po siya. MOE, PS, and capital.
Okay, very good.
Buti na lang, nasa plans din kami.
Okay, question, last question. Baka kailangan magkape. Okay, gising-gising. Bonus to. What is the full name of the first Filipino male gold medalist in the Olympics?
Kalaga ako.
Carlos Diolo po. Full name. Full name.
Simon.
Anong events daw yun?
Gymnast.
Congratulations sa ating mga